still here at Maple Toyota. Is that loud enough? I got Sonny here to help me with the unboxing because Sonny knows the truck and I know how to peel off plastic. And since we only got one pair of gloves, that's going to be my main role. What's your name again, Sonny?
Sonny
Not Tony. Sorry, Sonny's going to give us a few tips. Which model we got here, Sonny?
This one's the Limited Crew Max with a 5.5-foot box.
All right, now here, Sonny, you peel this plastic, I'll peel this plastic. This is our third unboxing of the Tundra. So, we got a couple more plastics to come off here. Joe, you want to be on camera?
No, that's okay.
All right, don't put Joe on camera, Brandon. All right, plastic off. Now, we got to get the wheel plastic off. Come on, baby. Take it off. Here we go.
Drop that stuff.
My lovely assistant helping me out here. All right, let's do it here. You do that one, Sonny. Then we'll get the plastic inside.
This truck comes with the 20-inch rim compared to the 18s on the other ones.
Limited model. All right, let's pull some plastic off the seats. We've got some of the shipping labels here. Over here, if you saw the other videos, we've got the tie-down cleats for the bed. The front license plate bracket will go on once we PDI this. Center caps for the alloys. Uh-oh, the books aren't there. Oh no, we should have planned this a little better.
I think I know where the books are.
Hey, you missed me taking the plastic off. Come on, guy. Smell that new truck smell. Woo-wee.
Here you go, Bill. Here's the books.
Thank you, Sonny. So, once you come to pick up your Toyota, we'll have all these books in the owner's manual pouch. You've got 2022 Tundra owner's manual. You've got the maintenance schedule. Whoa. Over here, you've got the maintenance schedule. Here, you have the owner's manual for the multimedia. Look at the size of that.
14 inches display screen.
Size definitely matters when it comes to looking at the navigation, etc. Take a look over there and we'll go around to the back in a second. All right, what do we got in the trunk here? Some mud flaps. We're going to install those during the PDI. And if you've seen the other one, you saw that the tow hitch platform is in the box here. Should we open that up? Sure, let's not shortchange the public. Get my blade out. All right. Fresh cut. There it is. Tow platform. Cotter pin for safety. Don't want to cut my fingers. So over here, what do we got here, Sonny?
Got the carpet match for the Tundra, and we should have a second set for the all-weathers as well.
Let's hope so. What's this, Sonny?
That's the tailgate
Tow hitch. Tow hitch
cover.
Lock nuts to be installed. And there's our rubber mats in the Canadian market. I'm not sure about the US, but we've got rubber mats here. Now, let's fold this down and take some plastic off. Over here we got the tire iron and the jack. Let's flip this back up. There you go, Sonny. I'll let you take a look at those seats. I can do some coffee.
Hey, we got Roman joining us.
Want to take a look at the bed at all?
There you go.
Well, the bed's full of plastic, but what's that material inside the bed? Do you need a bed liner, Sonny?
No, it has a spray and liner already that it comes with, and the softest leather seats.
It's a composite liner.
Composite liner.
Composite liner.
It's also got a built-in switch in the tailgate to drop down the tailgate as well. The last cover for the rim. Well,
All right, we got some plastic in here. We'll take off the door sill here, plastic. And the steering wheel. We're gonna leave the floor because we're gonna drive this in there. I don't wanna get the carpet dirty. And the multimedia sticker. Prefer your language. Well, I always wanted to learn Spanish.
so for the first time ever, we have the 14-inch display screen in the Toyota Tundras.
And there's the dash. So, if you're looking for a Tundra or anything else, come on down, get on down. We got Sunny Gulati here. Bill Wood, thank you very much.